Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert umbrella symbol in Word document. So in the first method you need to press the window key and the semicolon key all together. The emoji panel will be appeared up. Click on the search icon and type umbrella. And here you can see 3 or 4 different type of umbrella symbol. You just need to select it to insert it. And close it, select all the symbols, go to the home and give some effects as per your choice. In the second method, click on the insert, click on the symbols, click on the more symbols. And in the font section, you need to select the SEGOUI symbol, and in the subset, you need to select miscellaneous symbol, and here you need to find it. And here it is, you need to select it and click insert and close it. Like this one. Another way is that you need to press and hold the Alt key. This is the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to type 9730 and release the Alt key. This will immediately insert the umbrella symbol. Don't worry if you don't have the numeric keypad. You can use another code, which is you need to type 2602 and you need to press Alt plus X all together. The code will instantly turn to the umbrella symbol. So with these methods, you can easily insert umbrella symbol in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.